What is the difference between Plotagon Studio and Plotagon Story? In this video, I will give you the major tips between them and which one I could advise you to go for. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Months ago, Plotagon released a new application called Plotagon Studio, which is available on all mobile devices for both Apple Store and Play Store users. So quickly, let's look at the major difference between them. So I'll open up Plotagon Studio, which is the new app. So okay, now once it's been opened, this is what you see. So quickly, let's look at the subscription aspect, because truly, in order for you to use any app, okay, you need to really know what will it take for you to have the pro version. So let's look at the subscription app. All right, so from here we have two major plans, which is the creator plan and this one, which is called the pro plan. Okay, so you can either go for either of these two. Now quickly, let's look at the differences. Under the creator plan, you have it's a weekly, you can pay weekly or monthly, and that's about 3,000 naira. And for creators plan is about, should I say, about 9,800 naira. And in terms of the pro plan, the same thing applicable, but the prices are different. So in terms of the pro plan, this is what you get. It's more higher than the creators plan. And what does it entail? You will notice what you have here: access to all scenes and so on. But under the pro plan, you have access to more than 2 characters, whereby you can add your own image. So we'll quickly look at what they are trying to say. But firstly, before we even dive in, at this stage, I would choose Plotagon Story over Plotagon Studio on this aspect, based on the subscription aspect. Reason is this subscription is higher than that of the Plotagon Story. But let's see the reason why they actually increase the fee. So quickly, we'll click on this icon to create a plot, then click on create new plot. So upon clicking on create new plot, we have you have to pick what scene you want and the locations. What scene, that is, select the scene by picking a location. So click on that, then the scene you are always familiar with will pop out. But you will notice that under it, you will notice some icons under each scene. So let me use this as a very good example. Now from here, if you see this icon, if you see this single icon which represents, so sorry about that. Okay, so if you see this icon, that's one that look like a dummy, it means just one character could be available on that scene. The same thing applicable to this. But once you see something like this, whereby you have a character and a plus sign, it means you can add more than 2 characters in that scene. And also you can also add audience, which is this icon you are seeing. You can also add audience to it and add your own image. All right, okay. and when you see two dummies, simply means it represents two characters only in that scene. So let's quickly look at this one where you have the population, so for you to see the major difference between the story and the studio. So trying to load it. Okay, so here we are. Then click on done. Alright, so guys, from here we need to select our actors. So you will see it's popping up already. So click on actor. Now we select the actor we want. Those the normal same actors you have, no really big differences on the characters. Yes, does the same. So after selecting the actor is now available in the scene. You can also select another actor again. So probably I will just select another actor, which is this gold. You will notice those diamond signs simply means you haven't subscribed for that plan. So since this is just a demo tutorial, just to explain the major differences and which one would I advise you guys to go for. So okay, so here now we can now add about 5 more characters. That is about 3 more characters to the 2 characters we have been making 5. But presently, if I should select on it, it will request me to purchase the license. Alright, so since I'm not really using it for a personal project, this is just a tutorial, then I don't think I would actually subscribe for that. Okay, now next we can also add you can add, if you look at the camera, for the camera you can add establish a point, just like the normal way you usually do the previous ones. Okay, it's still the same thing, and here you can also add more or less, like say, zoom in your character using the camera, using the zoom character. Okay, trying to see, I'm zooming out. Okay, so I can zoom in more or less by just sliding the slider. Okay, so you can see it. So this will also be used for good animations, right? So you can see, so I can also zoom in and zoom out. Yes, in terms of more of the editing, well, Plotagon Studio will have the green light on this aspect. But if it is based on the subscription, I will go for Plotagon Story. Now, finally, which one will I advise you guys to go for? From all what I've seen, I would have advised everyone to go for Plotagon Studio, but the major reason why is the working in all background is not available on this app. That is, the creator of Plotagon did not actually create a medium for characters to walk around. Let's say there is a medium at which they can walk around, then this should have been the best and the best, regardless of the fee that was being added, that regardless of the tremendous fee differences between the studio and the Plotagon story. So as for me, guys, all this editing is good, you can actually use it, but I still prefer Plotagon story. And for those of you that still want to learn how to work in any background scene, yes, I have a tutorial on that. And you can also add more characters to your Plotagon story just by doing some editing effects. Yes, but the choice is yours, guys. But as for me, like I said, Plotagon story still has the green art for me. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. I can't wait to see you guys join my Plotagon academic class, okay, which is free for everyone. Alright guys, so have a nice time. See you soon. Bye for now.